Good morning, dear students. We are studying about light reflection and refraction. And in refraction part, we have already discussed about the rules for image formation and image formation of concave and convex lenses. And we have already discussed about the Cartesian sign convention, which we are using for concave lens and convex lens. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about the lens formula and magnification. As you can remember, for mirror, we have studied the mirror formula and magnification. And it is somewhat of similar. Okay. For lens, we are going to study about lens formula. And in mirror, what is the formula that we have studied? 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. That is, U and V are friends. Like this, as that you can, to keep it in mind, I told you the shortcut to remember how it can be remembered. U and V are friends, like that I told. And in lens formula, only one difference from mirror formula is 1 by V minus 1 by U. Here in mirror formula, it will come plus. Here in lens formula, it will come minus. For mirror, it will become plus. For lens, it will show minus. That is the only difference between mirror and the lens formula. Rest of the everything is same. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. That is what lens formula is all about. And we have already studied what is U. U is the image distance. The distance from the optical center to image is the image distance. And V is the object distance. Object distance means from optical center where the object is kept. That is object distance. Image, where image formed, it is the image distance. And F, we know that it is a focal length. Okay. So this is the explanation for lens formula. For lens formula, whatever lens it is applicable here. But even after this, we have to use this Cartesian sign convention in this lens formula. Okay. And magnification, we have already studied what is magnification is all about. Okay. As you can see in the diagram, how the stamp is magnified and it can be showed bigger. Can you see this diagram? It's very easy, right? Similarly, we have already studied for magnification for mirror. Magnification is the ratio of height. 1 minute. Magnification is the ratio of height of the image and the height of the object. So it is represented by the letter M. We have already studied this in the mirror. M is equal to height of the image by height of the object. Hi by Ho. That is what we have already studied. M is equal to Hi can be considered as H dash and Ho considered as H. And we have studied there is one more relation for magnification. What is that? It is minus V by U we have studied for the mirror. And when it comes to lens, M is equal to, it is V by U. The minus will not come here. That is the only difference. For lens formula, minus will come. For magnification, minus won't come. Okay. For mirror, we have studied that magnification is equal to minus V by U. And for lens, it is plus V by U. Okay. This you keep it remembered, because while doing the numerics, this is a very important formulas which it can be helpful to solve all the numerics. Okay. And here's a Cartesian sign convention we have to apply that I already told you. As you can see here, the positive sign shows that the image is erect and virtual. Positive signs mean it is above the principal axis. Above the principal axis means positive. So erect image that is formed, if it is image is formed above the principal axis means it should be virtual image. It is not a real image. The negative sign shows that the image is inverted and real. Inverted means it is below principal axis. Below principal axis means it is inverted, and it is a real image which is formed over here. I hope you understand the concept of magnification and lens formula. These two, I hope you understand very well. And there is one more important point that we should understand when it comes to lenses, because we know we are using the spectacles. In spectacles, you can see there is a, what is the power in your eye? What is the power in your left eye? What is the power in your right eye? Like this, doctor will discuss this, and the doctor will say what is power, what is eye power, everything. So that power, how we are determining for the lenses, that is what we are going to discuss now. Okay. So the power of the lenses, if you see here, the power of the lens is defined as, you can see the formula, P is equal to 1 by F. that is reciprocal of the focal length is considered as the value of power. Okay, and understand that this focal length is taken in meters. Okay, this focal length is taken in meters. This you keep it in mind always. Okay, and the power of the lens is defined as the reciprocal of its focal length. Reciprocal of its focal length, and it is represented by the letter P. Power is represented by the letter P. So for the formula, how can we define the power? If we know the focal length, if it is reciprocal value, if we found it out, that is the value of the power of particular lenses. Okay, and we should know that what is the SI unit of power. SI unit of power of lens is diopter. It is diopter D. Diopter is represented by the, denoted by the letter D, capital D, that we should represent the power of the lens. SI unit of power is diopter. This also you keep it in mind. Okay, there is short numerics, short answer type of questions. This type of questions may come. What is the power? What is the diopter? They will ask. Keep it, remember that focal length should be calculated in meter. Meter means 100 centimeter is 1 meter. Okay, that you keep in mind. So power of the convex lens is positive and that concave lens is negative. Convex lens is positive and concave lens is negative. This also you keep it in mind. So these are the lenses which we use it, powerful lenses to magnify the object which is kept in here, like microscope like object. No, if we keep some object in here, it will be magnified and it can be seen through this lenses. The power will be varying more. So we have discussed about the lens formula, magnification and power of the lenses in this video. Okay, so this is the last topic of this light reflection and refraction. So what are all the topics that you go through very well? It's okay. What are all the topics you have to go through very well? Please watch it more in number of times. I may give you a test in this topic. Okay, please be ready in this topic. Okay, so this is the end of the light reflection. So as you pass the light on the cat, what is the shadow that we can capture here? It should be a cat, right? But here it is a lion. So if cat has confidence that it should behave like a lion, it will escape from the enemy. Similarly, you also have the confidence you will become a topper. Okay, have that confidence and study well. Thank you.